operation video of HVHLT-7200 200A contact resistance tester. Wire connection. I positive. Let's connect the thick red line. I negative, thick black line. V positive is connected to the red thin line. 5 negatively connected black thin line. After the wiring is completed, start testing. After booting, you can adjust 50, 100, 150, 200 for gears. Let's take 100 amps as an example. Press OK key. Until we come to test, press OK key again. Current starts 100 amps. Now the test is over. 8 seconds. Adjust the test time by pressing the button. 30 seconds. 1 minute. Continuous testing. Test completed, then print. Reset. 100 amps. The resistance is 133.3 ohms.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.